Hi, in a previous video we have seen how we can lay out a document like this one on the left using tables and using styles. In this video we want to see how to create a document with a similar layout using frames. So let's write my project. We have some text. And now we want a similar layout like this with oranges and apples, but we want to use just frames. So let's write our paragraph for oranges. Let's suppose this is a text for oranges. Now here we insert a frame. So insert frame, and we want left and OK. Now let's go here to styles for frame. You can see it's for paragraph, character, and here it's frame. We choose Marginalia, and we can write inside oranges. We can choose for frame content to edit. Let's choose a color for this text. Let's bold. Let's apply. So you can see we have that. Let's choose that border. So we choose a color for border, the thickness. Apply. We have something similar, you can see. We have just one more thing. We have the paragraph. So let's create a new style, paragraph. Okay. So let's apply. Let's see where it is. So paragraph. Now let's move to custom to be easier to edit. Let's choose justify. Before text I want, let's suppose 6 centimeters. Apply. OK. So we have something similar. If I want now to insert apples, I write the paragraph for apples, and before that paragraph for apples I insert a frame. It's left, apples, and I have to choose a frame style, so Marginalia. So it's very easy. If I want a little bit of space between these, I can choose for paragraph. Do not add space between paragraph of the same style, but I want above this distance. Let's see. So it's much better now. I have oranges with its own text and apples with its own text. If I want now pears, this is the text for pears from here. Insert frame, left, OK, Marginalia, pears, and I have the text for that. What is happening if I'm removing some text? The text is moving together with this headline. So it's very, very good. Let's see how it will look on preview. It is similar with what we have on the left. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.